Alright, so in this video, we're going to cover how to add a new network to Metamask. So this is Chainlist. This is the fastest and easiest way to add any network to your Metamask. Basically, any EVM powered network is going to be compatible here. So Chainlist is a list of EVM networks. Users can use the information to connect their wallets and Web3 middleware providers to the appropriate chain ID and network ID to connect to the correct chain. Right? So previously you had to look up some information on a particular network, and you had to add in things like the chain ID, which you see here for Poylgon is at 137. You'd have to add in the currency, the token for the chain, which is Matic in this case, right? For Ethereum, it's ETH. If we open this up, let's just open up ETH. You'll see how to add a RPC server. And obviously, when times of congestion, these can get bogged down. You always want the one at the top with good latency. But before you had to do this all manually, you had to look this up and then manually go into your MetaMask, which doesn't want to work too fast for me. Go into here, settings, networks, and then you'd have to add a new network. And then you'd have to fill out the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. Okay, we don't really have to worry about any of that now, because a company called DeFi Llama, don't need that to pop up. Okay, because a company called DeFi Llama has put out something called chainlist.org. So let's go here. Now what we can do now, since we have chainlist.org, is simply go here and add a network that we don't already have that we want to start using and transacting. So for this example, I already have Poylgon, I already have BSC, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Avalanche. I have most of these. I do not have Cronos, I don't believe. So actually take a look. So Ethereum, Evmos, Moonbeam, Moonriver, Telos, Metis, Arbitrum, Celo, Fantom. Alright, so I do not have Cronos. So let's add that. Okay, so we're simply going to just go here, connect wallet. I already did that, so now my wallet is connected, my MetaMask, you can see it right here. Now we're going to click this network, add to MetaMask. MetaMask is going to pop up a notification. I'm going to have to accept it. Pretty simple, tells you exactly what it's doing, allows the site to connect to the network, gives you all the specifications that it's adding, network name, network URL, and we hit approve. And now it's asking me to switch to the Cronos mainnet beta, so we'll hit switch. Now something else is trying to switch back to Decimal, so let's cancel that out. That normally wouldn't happen if you don't have all of the networks in there already, but I do, and I have one of my tabs is trying to open something. So now we should be connected, so let's double check. And there we go. We are on the Cronos mainnet. It's added. It will be now in my list of drop downs, so I can switch to that network at any time and transact accordingly. Obviously, I'm going to need some Crow token, which I'll have to grab and get on here so I can start moving around and transacting within this network. And that's it.